Okay, indeed, today, from today, also next Wednesday, we will start to review HSK1. So indeed, this is targeting for those who already learned Chinese, but need to review Chinese, like from the very beginning. And so today, we will start from this HSK1. Yeah. We will cover also pronunciation and characters. Yeah.
Okay, that's great. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So this book is still from the standard course HSK1 from this. We will follow this book and we review lesson 1. First, take a look here on lesson 1. 你好. These two characters, Ada, like, would you please explain the character yourself? And do you recognize them first? Oh no.
Yeah, I recognize them.
Yeah.
And actually, ni, there's the ren, so the person, radical on the left. And actually, I'm not too sure.
This one.
Is that, yeah, like together, I'm not sure what it means.
Yes, and this one is in ancient Chinese, it means you. Then in modern Chinese, we plus this radical, person radical, and this together is 你. 你 means you in modern Chinese. 你. Okay, and the second character, this one.
How? So there's the female radical on the left, the nu. And then is this character just called zi?
Yes, you are right. You said that this is a female, yes. What about the zi?
Like, actually not sure what's the meaning. I know it's in a lot of words, but I don't know alone what does it mean.
Yes, so this is, for the moment you can remember like two main meaning. One is like normally for children, kids, 孩子 子 for children, First one is kids, child, kids. And then the second is like for the like combined with other main noun. For example, 桌子 椅子 桌子 椅子 we use this one plus main character. For example, 桌子 table, 桌子 and then 椅子 is combined with other main, and then like in modern Chinese. One is for kids, the other is for combination. That's okay for the moment. 好，桌子椅子你好. What does it mean 你好 in Chinese?
你好, it's like hi, hello.
对的，你好好的. And then let's continue the next part. And here we have this Nin. What is Nin? Here, this one, Nin.
Isn't that like the more polite form of ni?
对的. So explain this character now, Nin.
So it's the top is the same as ni, but then there's the hard radical at the bottom.
Yes. How you pronounce this hard radical?
Xin.
Yes, xin. So with this xin underneath, so this is a platform for ni. Nin. Normally we use this nin for these older people, elder people, or for those people like informal occasion. For example, when you use at work, we use nin hao, or to your customers, also we use nin. 好的. And then we come to this one.
Nǐmen. So there is again the person radical, and then isn't the one on the right is also called men?
Yes. What does it mean here?
Is it door?
Yes, it is this one. Men is the door, the gate. we use men. And for pronunciation part, on the right part and person part, what does it mean, men? What does this mean?
So if you add it to, for example, Nǐmen, so it becomes like plural you.
对的，对的啊，你们他们我们 become plural form 啊。好的，this part also okay. Let's continue 啊。Let me take a look here. Just now we talk about this how we have female and then we have kids here. Combine them, and then how I explain this how to my student is like female. We can say it is a girl. And this kids 子 also can be a son. So when combined like this female and the boy and girl together, and it's good. 好 means good. Good. This is just my explanation for students memorize 好. But of course, you can have your own story. You can share with us if you have your own 好 good 好. Now let's take a look at the another character. This one I don't put pinyin here, but let's Ada, can you tell me what is this one? Or you don't know? Or you know?
Is it 对?
Good. It is 对. What does it mean? This 对 normally.
对 it's like correct.
Yes. Correct. 对 if Vicky say 对对 it's correct. That's right. Right. Correct. 对. Now you can explain these characters. What is left side? This one.
This one is it 有?
It is good. It is you. 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 We learned it before. For example, 今天又热又潮湿. Today it is hot and wet. This moisture. 又 means and. 又 又. Right part. This one. Maybe you know, maybe you don't know.
It means the inch, but was it 吨? No, 寸.
It is inch. Good. I put it here. In Chinese, when we say 寸, it means the Chinese inch. We call it the Chinese inch. 我们说中国的寸寸，中国的寸 is 3.33 centimeters, 3.33厘米。英国的寸 British or in English this inch 是2.54厘米 is different from Chinese the unit of length. 寸 anyway is the unit of length. 寸 we combine these two together. You and 寸 is 对 correct. Correct. This one, what is this character?
That's 不.
Yes, 不 what does it mean? 不
It's like no.
对的，不 no 不。好 good. Recognize all of them. 好的continue. 不 now let's continue this part. We don't have pinyin here, but this one, if you recognize it, tell me what is it?
Is this like 起床的起?
Very good. It is 起床的起. What is 起床?
起床 to wake up.
Yes. What is 床? This 床?
床起床 is 床 bed?
Yes. This 床 is bed. 起床 get up from bed. 床 is the bed. 起床. 好的 Now we focus on this 起起看一下左边是什么 Left side 是什么左边是什么
左边是this was the 左
字偶
走 not 左 so
对的左
to walk.
对的我是 left 走 走是 walk 啊 walk 走，
走
走路的走啊 to walk 走。What about the right part?
This was like yourself.
对的，我自己啊，我自己 myself 己 yes
myself.
is wrong this one 啊，己以己啊 J I 己啊己我自己，你自己 yourself 他自己 himself 自己的己啊 oneself 己走 plus 己起床的起 again this part is for pronunciation 啊起 get up meaning part 啊，起床起 means get up rising 啊起，好的，起床好。Now we come to this character. What is it? 这是什么字？
It's May.
对的。What is May? What does it mean? May.
May. It's like it also means like the negative, like no.
May. And we have the. You can explain now this May, this part.
And this is the water radical.
是的。
So,
water.
water.
This part, is Chinese in ancient Chinese. This is kind of weapon, like this, like arrow weapon, and this weapon like this one. In modern Chinese, we seldom use this character. You for the moment you don't need to remember. I mean, yeah, we don't use this one nowadays. But you know it's a weapon, then that's it. Yeah. 好，没 means no 或者 without 或者是 disappear 啊 disappear with water like everything disappear 啊，没有没好的 this part we can pass we continue 啊 and now we take a look next two character. First, let's take a look at the first one, this one. This one.
Very familiar, but now I forgot which one
This
is
one
this.
you know. This one I think you know.
That without the. Oh. Wait, is this?
This one you know. This one.
It's 人.
是的 and this one you know. Next one.
That's 大.
Yes, 大 and then this one you know.
That's. Is it tree?
Tree.
No.
You
tree.
need more leaves. This one is tree.
Oh yeah, it looks different.
Yeah.
Wait,
This one,
this is 天.
Yes. This is 天 天 means what?
天 is day.
Yes, 天 means day. Day sky. 大 big 人 person person. When you open your arms, you show how big you are. And then I say like when you put one on here, it means no matter how big you are or how strong you are, you cannot bigger than the sky. Sky is there. So here's the sky. And then
天 sky.
yes, 天 sky. And then we come to this one. This one is a verb. In modern Chinese, quite often we use it as a verb. It means to close something. How you say?
关.
Yes, 关 How you say close the door?
关门.
Yes, 关门 close. How you say switch off the light? We use the same.
关灯.
Yes, 关灯 How you say switch off the air conditioner?
关空调.
Very good. 关空调关 means close, switch off. 关好关各弯关关。And now we move to next character we need to know today. This one. This one, if you know, tell me how to pronounce it. If you don't know, we can explain.
Yeah, I think I forgot. It looks familiar, but I forgot.
Yes, this one indeed. I put this picture here. This is from like 说文解字 this explaining characters from the ancient like pictures. So this one we call it 系 系 关系 can be neutral
Right.
tone, can be this one can be 系 also can be 系 like neutral also okay 关系. So this one basic meaning, it means to knot, to tight, to like use some rope to tie it. So here like you have some, we can think about they are like some meat or some like goose you need to tie with rope. So this means rope. And then when we put this 关系 together, this 关系 together in modern Chinese, it means like a different kind of network connections and relationship also. We call it 关系关系。看一下这里 A B. When they have 关系, it means here they have some C there. They both like maybe no, or they can use this link to link them together. 关系. And from this, 关系, from this, like you can also see people like indirect link to another one by this 关系关系。好，关系，人际关系 relationship 好的，关系。This one indeed, this part, here, this part, we have radical. What is it? This one.
This one.
Yeah.
I cannot remember.
Later
Is
we
it
learned
same as in lug?
Yeah, like a silk radical. This silk radical. I'm thinking silk also you need like here, if we can, we use some rope, silk rope to tie something. That's help us to remember this character. 好的，关系，好的。And then we continue. This part is easy now for you. We still review together 好的，那全都是你you are A, I'm B
你好。
You look only character 你好，你好。第二部分，
您好。
你们好。Why A said 您好 Why A said 您好 For example, he said 您好。
Because maybe he's like some important person or like an older person.
Both correct. 好。And he said 你们好。我大家没 here 你们好。
Because there's two people, so it's for both of them.
Yeah, 你们好，好的 correct 你们好。Now, we learned the character 对 we learned 起 we learned 不 When we combine them together, 对不起 what does it mean here? 对不起。
对不起 that's like sorry.
When you can use this 对不起
like when you're sorry for something, like you interrupted someone, for example.
Yes. What about in the metro? If like you need to get off this, like this get off from this metro, and many people crowded. Can you use this 对不起 means like you want to get out?
Actually not sure if you can. Is
Yes,
there another word
yes,
you use?
can.
Yeah.
You can use this. 对不起 you say 对不起 people know you want to like get off
Okay.
the car, get off the metro 对不起 you can also say 劳驾 both okay 劳驾 劳驾 the same means I this 劳驾 no this one 劳驾或者是对不起 okay And here people say 没关系. We learned 没 no 关系 means relationship. But when we combine them together, 没关系, it means here doesn't matter. That's okay. 没关系. For example, you step on someone's foot and then you say 对不起, and the other said that's okay. 没关系,没关系啊。好，有问题的话你就问啊，没有问题我就往下走。If you have question, just ask. Interrupt. No, we continue 啊。好，我们看一下这里的拼音啊，拼音 help us to pronounce Chinese characters. We have initials. We call it 声母 initial 声音的声 like this kind of sound 声母。We have 韵母 is finals. We take a look at this initials part. Would you please go through all of them from this way? This way, this way, this way. Okay.
Okay, so just the initial.
Yes, just the initial.
So, B,
Yeah.
P,
M,
Mo, Fu.
Indeed, this one, if I put English here, they all like this b, p, mo, fu.
Okay, it has the sound after it. Yeah. Fu, and then D, and P,
this one.
P,
T,
P, and N, L, G, P, P.
对的。This part we change to this one.
E,
this one, yeah.
G,
对的，鸡。
E. Okay, C.
对的，七。
And C.
Yes，鸡、七、西。好的，声母部分啊。前三个是然后鸡、七是一，鸡、七、西是一。好的，我们看一下韵母的部分。阿达这样过啊。
So E, U, Ü, R, A, Ya, Wa,
嗯
O,
嗯，
我。
对的。
Is it just E?
This one is Yeah.
Ye,
Yes，耶。
Ye.
对的，约。
And I,
对的，
Y.
对的，
A, Fei. No, A,
对的。A，
A. Wei,
对的。
Wei,
对的。V，
We.
对的，
Then Ao,
对的，
Yao.
对的。好的啊，没问题啊。好，only this one 啊，otherwise 啊，好。initials and finals。好的，我们看一下汉语的声调的 tones of Chinese 啊。So tones is very important in China. That's why many people say we Chinese are quite loud. We need to say clearly the tones, otherwise they mean differently. Would you please explain like this four? Yeah.
Okay, so the first is Ma. So the same tone. And So it's you don't raise it or you don't go down. And then the second one is ma. So it goes up. And then the third one is ma. So kind of goes up and down and up. And then the fourth one is it goes down. So ma.
Here, the example also very clear, right? When you say ma, it means mother or mama, mama. When you say second tone, ma, it means this kind of like linen, can be also this fibrous cloth, linen, ma. And the third tone, ma, you slow down, ma, it means horse. And then the fourth tone, always you need to say it short and clearly, ma, it means like get angry to scold someone, ma, 好. For the characters also, I would like you to take a look at the character. What you notice from here, this MA group, ma group, what do you notice from this character?
Well, the part that's on the right in ma is the same as horse, and then the ma also has it.
Yes. So this is in Chinese is quite normal, like for the phonetic part, for the pronunciation part. When you recognize the like part of it, most probably they are very close to the pronunciation. For example, this is ma, the tones is first tone, and this is fourth tone. And this one is the basic, the original one, fourth, ma. So they are quite similar. Okay, good. Oh, these tones, every time I tell my students, don't worry. Like if you too much worry about tones and then they are not to speak, that's not good. Tones is important, but with your like this kind of your vocabulary enlarges like phrases. Don't worry too much about tones. But for student at the very beginning, tones is important. How? But it will not stop you from saying Chinese. Okay. Okay, we continue on. This part we have tones practice. 好的, this first line.
Okay, so no,
Yes. Second. 第二行. This is 窝
then
，yeah 我
and then 我
对的我
and then 我
对的我
wait, this is the sound that I forgot.
对的
then
对的
and
对的对的。好，看一下第四个。
then 一
对的
then 一
对的
and 一
对的。第五行。
then it's 五
是的
and 五
对的对的
and
对的。最后一行。
then 鱼
对的
and 鱼
对的对的
and 鱼。
对的，很好啊，很好。我们往下看啊，很好。好的，我们看一下 syllables 啊，汉语的音节。我们看一下这里的例句啊 ，initials、finals 还有 tones。比如说这一个，我们一起来，阿达来啊，这一个。
So it's Mao.
This is more when if I now change the like if I say Mao, if I use this one, so now you can do the initials and finals with tones. You can also pronounce this one. What is this one then?
That's now.
对的。What about this one?
老。
对的，一样的啊。Initial and final and plus tones。好的，第二个。
So that's 鱼。
对的，鱼啊，鱼 second tone 啊，鱼。When we have this 鱼 we indeed is this one but when we write pinyin we use this 鱼 and then this two dot can get rid of it 鱼。鱼。好。And then we have 第三组这个。
That's 姐。
对的，姐。好。If I put this, we change one I change the tones also. I change tones to fourth tone. How you pronounce this?
It's 烈。
对的，烈。对的烈。好的，我们看一下最后一行。
二。
对的，二好。This part also quite good. We continue. We continue 好的，现在我们看一下这几个图片，不同的initial 和 final，还有音调，阿达你自己来我们一起来看一下第一个。
一。五。
第二鱼。
鱼。and 二。笔。猫。岛。
island 岛的
岛。and 花。
对。
and 七。
对的。
and 七。
对的。鸡。七。对的。
and 鞋。
对的。
and 雪。
What is 雪
？snow。
对的。The picture here is not very clear. It's snow 雪。好 ，good 对，没问题好，我们看下面看一下还是两个音节的双音节。Yeah, we call it syllabic 好 ，this one 从头开始。
That's 咖啡。and 喝了。烤鸭。
对的，烤鸭。
烤鸭。That's 火锅。No, wait.
火锅。对的，
火
锅。
锅。
对的，火锅。很好。
地图。then 飞机。then 毛笔。耳机。
很好，耳机。好的。好，我们看一下，这里有一个 rule When two this third tone together, we change the first third tone to second tone For example, because it's really hard to say 你好 is too tired. We change the first third tone to second tone. Instead we say 你 好 we say 你好啊。好的，Ada continue。
So 可以
we don't say 可以 we say 可以啊 second 可以。
可以。Then 辅 and 导 become 辅导。
we don't say 辅导 we say 辅导 means coaching 啊 coach。辅导好 good 啊 so when never have two third tone together change the first one to second tone 好的。好 we continue we practice this part 啊好 by yourself 啊。
So that's 你好。Then 可以。
对的
Then 辅导。
对的
了解。
对的
Then 口语。
对的
Then 语法。
对的
法语。
对的
好。Then 了解。
对的
友好。
对的
雨伞。
对的
Then 手表。
That's it good 啊好 this part also not difficult 啊好的 good we continue 啊好这里是我们课堂用语啊课堂是classroom 啊课堂用语是 how we use the language 啊expressions 好的我们Ada 可以 focus on the character 啊 at the same time let's take a look at this 上课上课what else you can use this 上课 have lesson starts 啊上if you go to work
上班。
对的上班 go to work 啊上课上班 go to work go to class 啊 class 上课 also means class starts 啊
上课。
课 the opposite 下课
下课。Yeah.
then the shift is over the work is over 下班啊下班
下班 Yeah, sorry 下班。
下班好 and then
现在休息。
what is 现在
Like now.
休息
休息 like rest.
对的现在休息啊好